Hello tech lovers, today's video is on JIMITU RC drone. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular side, or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on this drones. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comment section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. When we need drones, we search for them depending on our needs, features, and budget. Depending on them, sometimes we buy normal big drones and sometimes mini drones. There are many reasons behind buying a mini drone. And if you are searching for a mini drone, then this video is for you. In this video, we have discussed a specific drone, its features, and its qualities. This particular mini drone is full of great features. Let's discuss those things. It is a very small drone actually. It has great portability. In one variation, you will also get carrying bag. Overall look is great. The curves define it great. There are 4 protective barriers to it. You can install them to protect it from being crushed or damaged. The folding design has put a heart in it. This mini drone is perfectly designed. Small enough to keep in your palm. It has good quality high-definition camera. They claim 1600 watt quality video. It also has 110-degree super wide-angle lens. Its camera is enough to give you great memories and footage of different occasions. Now it is time to discuss various functions of JIMITU RC drone. Real-time transmission is one of the most useful and helpful feature of the drone. Real-time transmission makes the flying exciting. You will be able to see live scenery from a great view. Without real-time transmission, it becomes boring to fly a drone. Because you don't see how you are flying and you don't get to see the beautiful sceneries live and spend a blind boring time. Having this feature on this drone, you get to enjoy overall control and viewing of aerial pictures of the aircraft. Controlling your drone through your phone is exciting. It is much cool and contemporary at the same time. It makes your job easy and keeps you in a comfort zone. Controlling drones through phones is without a doubt intelligent controlling system. You get to stay together with your favorite phone and enjoy some adventurous moments. Optical flow localization hovering. Having optical flow localization hovering a good thing to have. It helps to have awesome stable footage of different views. It helps the most in some specific scenes. Some specific environments and specific scenes require stable shooting, and at that time optical flow localization hovering helps the most. It makes the flight control process easy and helps to have anti-shake aerial shooting. Under the optical flow localization, clearer aerial photos are available. Trajectory pointing flight is a very useful feature to have. It helps the flyer by making the flying process even easier. No extra hassles are needed with this feature. Via phone control, you can enable trajectory pointing flight. You can draw the flight path you want, and the aircraft will follow the trajectory you have drawn. This product is equipped with awesome portability. The drone is small and compact. The folding design is great to make it into a compact and highly portable product. People who plays different types of racing game knows how enjoyable it is to have gravity sensor. You can control the drone how you move your remote controlling device. It provides you a variation in drone controlling system. It is fun to have 360-degree rolling in a drone. It is enjoyable to watch the drone making a 360-degree rolling directly, and the rolling also provides with great footages. This particular drone also has headless mode, and we all know that how useful it is to have headless mode in a drone. It helps to understand the drone better. It makes operating the drone easy. Because it is easy to understand the direction and fly according to direction. It is without a doubt one kind of helping hand to the flyers. One key takeoff land. It is important to have some one key actions. It is helpful to have one key takeoff and one key land. It helps most at the emergency moments. Because when there comes an emergency, the operator sometimes feels needs to land the drone rapidly. If there is no one key land, then it is tough to handle those emergency moments. But in these situations, if you have one key land, you can easily click on it and enjoy the ease. When the one key auto return is here, why worry? Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this device. The pros are compact and portable small design, great design, phone control, easy to fly, and there are lots of pros. And the cons are couple of ordinary features are missing. the camera quality could be better. After knowing all the features from this video, we think you should investigate this device more. Check out its price. It is definitely a budget drone with lots of great features and qualities. With all these features, it deserves a shot. So don't worry, hurry, and give it a shot. If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related, informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have fun and keep up the good work.